In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track student progress and completion rates quickly and effectively. Whether you're a teacher, course creator, or training manager, knowing how your students are progressing is critical to ensuring they stay on track and complete their courses. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful method to track this data in just a few simple steps. So how do you track student progress and completion rates? The first thing you need is a system that allows you to monitor each student's activity in real time. This software will let you see which lessons they've completed, how much time they've spent on each module, and if they're falling behind or on track. Let's start with tracking progress. In the software we'll be using today, you can set up milestones or checklists for each student. These milestones can include key actions, such as completing specific lessons or passing quizzes. The software will automatically track when each of these actions is completed and give you a visual representation of progress for each student. You'll also be able to set goals and deadlines, ensuring that everyone is moving forward as planned. Now, tracking completion rates. This is where it gets really useful. The software we'll use shows you the percentage of the course completed by each student. You can even set up automatic notifications if a student hasn't completed a specific lesson by the deadline, or if they're showing signs of lagging behind. This will help you stay proactive and reach out to students before they drop off. It's important to look at both individual student progress and the course as a whole. The software allows you to analyze overall completion rates for all students, giving you a clear picture of how successful your course or training program is. You can filter the data by date range, course, or specific student groups. This can help you identify patterns and make adjustments to your content or approach to improve overall completion rates. If you're curious about the software I'm using in this video, it offers an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. If you want to follow along and implement what I've shown today, check out the description below for the link to claim your trial. To wrap it up, let's quickly go over the main points. 1. Track student progress with milestones and real-time tracking. 2. Monitor completion rates by analyzing individual student performance and overall course progress. 3. Set up notifications for deadlines to keep students on track. 4. Use the data to make adjustments and improve your course. Key takeaway: tracking student progress and completion rates is crucial to maintaining engagement and ensuring your students succeed. By using the right software, you can easily monitor progress, get insights into student performance, and make adjustments to help them complete the course. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to try this software yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.